So I'm going to go ahead and step into market leasing. By clicking market leasing here and clicking detail, you will see that the previously created market leasing assumption of none is still here. I'm going to go ahead and create a new category. So I'm going to call this category MLA1. You will see that the lease status is speculative, meaning that when this lease expires and it goes back to market, we're going to speculate on what the new lease is going to be. I'm going to say that over that 5 years, let's say that market rent has increased. We're going to go ahead and say that the months vacant is going to be 3. I'm going to do a tenant improvement allowance of $10 per square foot per year. I'm going to say the leasing commission is going to be 5%. If we're getting a new tenant in there, which the new market means we are, we're going to give a rent abatement of 3%. I'm not going to worry about the security deposit and non-weighted items. In another circumstance, we might have this tenant renew, but we don't know if they're going to renew or if they're not. So we're going to speculate, and this is the default, that they have a 50% chance of renewing. If they do renew, I'm going to go ahead and give them a little bit more favorable terms than a new tenant that's coming in to occupy the space. I'm going to go ahead and say the market rent is going to be $32.50 per square foot. Typically, after 5 years, if you've given them a tenant improvement allowance already at the beginning, you probably don't want to give them another. The leasing commissions might be a bit lower because your brokers basically just have to convince the person to stay. I'm going to say it's 2.5%, and I'm not going to give any rent abatements. When I click out of here, you'll see that MLA1 is added to my market leasing assumptions. I'm going to go ahead and click close, and you'll see that that automatically populates market leasing with the market leasing assumptions that we've set out here.